What is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, we are gonna make japchae. And now I'm gonna show you how to make it the easy way. So now, let's go. Let's add the onion. Let's add the yellow bell pepper. And the red bell peppers. A little bit of oil. Set it aside. We're gonna add our protein. Our choice of protein is a skirt steak. We're gonna saute this for a little bit. Add a little bit of sea salt. Black pepper. So now we're gonna set this aside. And now it's time for us to cook this. First, we are gonna boil some water. We're gonna bring it to a boil for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
So after 5 minutes, our glass noodle is finally done. So we are now gonna drain this and we are gonna start putting all of our ingredients together. Alright, so after we drain our glass noodle, we are now gonna put a few tablespoons of our sesame oil. This is also one of the secret ingredients or the main ingredients for our japchae. Guys, we're just gonna put it a little bit because if you put too much, sometimes the sesame oil is gonna be too strong for the noodles. So we don't want to overdo that. And also the reason why we are putting the sesame oil is because so the glass noodle won't stick to each other. The good thing about the glass noodle, guys, is they're very flexible. It's kind of tough. It's hard to tear. See? All right. You just put a little bit more, and I think that's it. Okay, now the second ingredient that we're gonna put is the sauce for our japchae. Actually, guys, this is the main ingredient of the japchae. This is their special sauce. So also, guys, when we put this sauce, we should take it easy because we don't want to overpower this the sauce from our noodles. So we're gonna put just a little bit. And then now we have to mix it. The next ingredient, guys, is the sesame seed. This is also one of the main ingredients of our japchae. For this one, you actually there's no measurement at all. You can just put as much as you want. Next up, our veggies that we made earlier. So like I said earlier, this is a red onion, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Alright guys, so I was gonna put a mushroom on this one, but I forgot I don't have any in my refrigerator right now. So what I found is actually Chinese broccoli. So we're gonna put this Chinese broccoli. Let me tell you guys, vegetarian will love this noodle. So let's mix it again. Isn't this beautiful, guys? It's starting to get really colorful. And of course, the last part is our protein. So for our protein, I just sauteed some skirt steak. You can use chicken, shrimp, or any protein you want. If you are vegetarian, for your protein, you could probably use tofu. But for me, I love meat, so I can actually put any protein that I want on my japchae. Alright guys, I think we are done. We are actually gonna plate this now. So guys, we are finally done with our japchae. So now let's taste it. The first initial bite. Let's see. Look guys, look at the noodles. By the way guys, this is actually starch or potato starch noodle, but they call it glass noodle. So right there. First bite guys. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. It is really good. Tastes just like japchae. The veggie. Mmm. This is actually so good guys. I think you should try this. You should try making this. You saw how simple I cook this, right? And also the ingredients is really not that hard to get. Wow. Actually guys, many of my coworkers asked me how to make this japchae, and I told them one day I'm gonna show them how to do it. So now this is it. So hopefully guys, they can make this by themselves. This is actually one of the most requested dish every time we have a holiday in my job. I like how chewy the glass noodle is, guys. It just doesn't break. It's very stretchy and it's very chewy. That's how I like about this japchae. Skirt steak, guys. First bite. Wow. That tastes so amazing. So guys, if I missed any ingredients on this one, or see if I did something wrong cooking the japchae, please comment. So next time when I make this, I'm gonna follow your advice. What is japchae without a beer? Japchae is perfect with beer, guys. So cheers. Awesome. Alright guys, so if you like today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So that way, we are going to be able to make more videos for you guys. Last bite for you guys. Bye.